Rather have a doctor that I'm paying to keep me off those medications and keep me healthy and vibrant and functioning at my highest level than taking medications and waiting until I'm sick to take the next one again. Most people, they run to the medicine, they run to the medical doctors to cover the symptom up. If I went to your medical doctor and I went in with a symptom of high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and he gives me a medication and didn't actually fix what's causing the high blood pressure, high cholesterol, just says take this and you'll be fine, without any change to your lifestyle, that's not a very good doctor.